Hello everyone, my name is David from Litex Tech Support, and today I'll show you how to create a group chat on the Instagram app. Let me focus my camera first. So you can open your Instagram app and make sure you follow my exact instructions step by step. Usually when you open your Instagram, you should be on your main page. Let's open the messages. From the top right corner is this button. And now you should see another button is like a pen on the top right corner is this one. I will press on that, and now I will have just to mark the accounts that I want to create the group with, as an example Twitter and Facebook. Let's add Meta also. And if I want to rename it, you'll have name at the upper of your screen, and let's name this group marketing, or however you want to name it. And after you select the contacts you want to add and you name the group, you can press here create group chat. I really hope I was being helpful with this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to smash the like button and leave a comment down below in the comment section. Please have a great day.